Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript string endWith method. In ECMAScript 6 and later versions of JavaScript, you can use the endsWith method to check if a string ends with a specific substring. This method returns a boolean value indicating whether the target string ends with the provided substring. Let's see the practical example. I have opened my code editor. First, I create a string. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method first I write string variable. Then I write endWith method, and in this I pass world word. Next, open browser, inspect page and select console. In console you can see I get true because our string end with world word. Now, I copy this line of code, and this time I write a world in lowercase. In console you can see we get false because it's case sensitive. Again I copy this line of code, and this time I pass second argument. This, to mean we consider only first two character H and E. In console you can see I get false because now our string end with E not world. Instead of world I write E here. In console you can see we get true, because our string end with E, because we take only two character H and E. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.